What's up? This is the Speculator Spot, where we take a look at the news and speculate on the crypto market. Subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get into it. In the midst of Bitcoin reaching new heights, Jim Rogers, a seasoned investor known for co-founding the Quantum Fund with George Soros, remains totally unswayed by the cryptocurrency frenzy. Speaking at a recent event, Rogers expressed his skepticism, doubting the long-term viability of cryptocurrencies compared to tangible commodities like rice and sugar. He humorously pondered whether to swap his gold and silver for Bitcoin, only to reinforce his trust in traditional safe havens over digital currencies. Rogers, who doesn't own any cryptocurrencies, anticipates potential government regulations could change the crypto market. Despite his reservations about digital currencies, he also highlighted concerns over the future of the US dollar and hinted at a challenging economic landscape ahead. Rogers' stance provides a counterpoint to the prevailing crypto enthusiasm coming from many other speculators. I'd like to know what you think. Robert F. Kennedy Jr., who is stepping into the political arena with a nod to his distinguished lineage, has thrown his weight behind cryptocurrency, branding it as a crucial escape from the Federal Reserve's grip. On social media platform X, Kennedy hailed crypto as the ultimate defense against inflation and a tool to dismantle the government and banking sector's monopolistic control over wealth distribution. With a firm belief in crypto as a beacon of freedom, Kennedy, who personally invests in Bitcoin and encourages his children to do the same, champions Bitcoin's potential to offer an alternative to the central bank's money printing machine. Kennedy's commitment to crypto goes beyond mere advocacy though, promising to safeguard Bitcoin if he ascends to the presidency. He envisions a United States where crypto transactions are not just protected, but flourished. He's equally critical of central bank digital currencies though, aligning with Donald Trump in opposing a digital dollar from the Federal Reserve, citing grave concerns over privacy and governmental overreach in financial affairs. What a surprise. For Kennedy, the fight for crypto is a fight for fundamental freedoms, setting a distinctive tone in his presidential campaign. In altcoin news, Dogecoin's price is catching a fresh wave, rallying 15% to hit 15 cents roughly, sparked by a whale of an announcement from Coinbase about its future in futures trading. This surge isn't just riding the crypto market's broader recovery wave, it's powered by a concoction of juicy fundamentals and on-chain metrics stirring the pot. Let's dive into the Doge frenzy lighting up today. The buzz kicked off with Coinbase, the crypto exchange giant, revealing plans to roll out futures trading for Doge, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. In a bold move detailed in a March 7 letter to the CFTC, Coinbase Derivatives is eyeing a monthly cash-settled futures contract for Dogecoin. They're playing it cool with a self-certification route, meaning they can launch these futures as long as they play by CFTC rules. No extra stamps of approval needed. Coinbase teased its followers with a March 21 post about the upcoming futures contracts, hinting at a regulatory plot twist in the crypto saga, with the SEC viewing most cryptos as commodities. This development throws an interesting light on Doge's market standing. But there's more fueling Doge's rocket though. Futures open interest for Dogecoin has shot up by 27.5%, crossing the $1 billion mark. It's like traders just can't get enough of Doge, betting big on the meme coin's moves. And after a market correction that took Doge down a notch, whale activity is signaling a bullish turn. Into the blocks on the chain sleuthing shows Doge whale transactions skyrocketing, with large transactions increasing by up to 600% in the last month. This whale watch and futures frenzy are painting a bright picture for Doge, suggesting that big players are betting on more than just laughs with this meme coin. The question now is, how will Doge navigate these choppy but exciting waters? What do you think about Dogecoin? Hit me up in the comments. Cathie Wood, the visionary CEO of ARK Invest, is casting a spotlight on Bitcoin, dubbing it a financial superhighway with an eye on the transformative impact it holds for emerging markets. Wood's analysis reveals Bitcoin as both a haven and a playfield for investors navigating these tumultuous waters. During her insights shared at the Bitcoin Investor Day conference in New York, Wood highlighted Nigeria's embrace of Bitcoin, interestingly. Faced with the Naira's steep depreciation, Nigerians are turning to Bitcoin, not just as an investment but as a financial lifeline, underscoring Bitcoin's dual nature as both a risk-off and risk-on asset. ARK Invest's foray into the cryptocurrency space with the ARK-B, a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, underscores their belief in Bitcoin's pivotal role in emerging markets. The success of ARK-B among 10 other funds launched in January speaks volumes about the growing institutional interest in the space. Wood's bullish outlook on Bitcoin doesn't stop at mere optimism though. She ventures into bold territory, suggesting that Bitcoin's price could soar above, get ready, $3.5 million as more institutions get involved, although she stops short of setting a firm target specifically. Reminding us of her earlier prediction of a $1.5 million price target, Wood confidently stated, "Bitcoin has miles to go," signaling a future where Bitcoin's journey is far from over, especially as a transformative force in emerging markets, that's for sure. Tell me in the comments what you think and what you're speculating on, what you're interested in. I'd love to hear it. Meanwhile, in the Crypto Coliseum, a showdown for the ages is brewing between BlackRock and Grayscale, with BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF eyeing the top spot for Bitcoin holdings. As of March 22, BlackRock's ETF is cradling a hefty 238,500 Bitcoin, which is worth around $15.5 billion. And it's not slowing down. Their daily inflows are about 4,120 Bitcoin per day. Grayscale, on the other hand, is sitting on a Bitcoin stash of 350,252 Bitcoin, which is valued at $23 billion. But here's the twist. It's seeing an average daily outflow of 4,140 Bitcoin. If this keeps up, BlackRock might just leapfrog Grayscale by April 11 to become the new Bitcoin heavyweight champ. And if BlackRock's inflows shift back to their peak rate of, which was 7,200 Bitcoin a day, I believe, we would see a new leader in as little as 10 days. George Tung, a YouTuber and crypto guru, is all in on BlackRock's corner though, predicting this monumental flip would happen within the next 2 weeks. Should BlackRock clinch the title, it'll stand as the world's largest institutional holder of Bitcoin, a position that's sure to make waves across the crypto sea. Meanwhile, Grayscale's GBTC is feeling the heat, marking a record $643 million in net outflows on March 18th alone. While some analysts see rough seas ahead for Bitcoin's price due to these outflows, Eric Balchunas of Bloomberg isn't losing any sleep. He thinks that mass exodus might simmer down in the coming weeks, hinting at crypto firm bankruptcies as a potential source of the recent sell-off wave. In another twist of fate, BlackRock's ETF outpaced MicroStrategy's Bitcoin hoard on March 10th, stashing more Bitcoin just days after MicroStrategy bulked up its own reserves. As the crypto world watches this titanic tussle unfold, one thing's for certain: the race for Bitcoin supremacy is on, and it's anybody's game at the moment.